V2X conducted developmental learning for leaders/future leaders of the organization. Prior to this training, employees took surveys such as PRINT to uncover their 2 unconscious motivators. This training broke down the unconscious motivators and went into depth on how you as a person could use your traits to motivate others around you that might have different traits.
I have come to Kwaj to deliver developmental learning to our V2X employees. So leadership is a tough thing, and what I hope is that people who have been leaders for a long time that maybe just needed a refresher or wanted to hone some of their skills, or people who are pretty new to leadership can garner something that might be helpful to them, because people are our most important resource, and knowing what we can do to help take care of them is a passion of mine.
I had high expectations. I had asked about the class before attending from a few other members who took the class. Nothing but great reviews, so I expected it to be the same as everybody else.
I thought it would be more about me learning about myself, and more working on being a better leader towards my subordinates.
Self-reflection. I can be hard on a lot of folks. I can be demanding. Now I have a better understanding of how other people work, their culture, their experiences, and stuff like that. So just to be more understanding.
The takeaway was I was rudely surprised that I learned not just more about myself, but to be more in tune and insightful towards my subordinates' behaviors and not be so quick to respond.
So the big play is a small play, right? So when to take the lead, I gotta learn how to do the small play, let other people take the lead and sit back and support them when they're taking charge, right? So definitely gotta work on that.
I think I'm going to take a little bit of all the things we kind of learned here these past 2 days, but really I think I'm just going to be more engaged in my communication and figure out how to communicate differently with each different member of my teams, how to get them more engaged, find their passion, find their genius, and help them be better and be more productive in their areas to grow.
So moving forward, I'm going to go back and try to implement all of it, because I think I have such a diverse team, and really it's up to me to try to determine when best to use the tools given today for those circumstances.
What I hope for this training, as well as the other trainings that we've done since I've been here, is that they take even one thing that they find and they go back and find members of their team that are hungry for more and give them a little taste, and then continue to feed that hunger so that those folks will continue to grow in our company, because our people are our most important resource. I just want to say thank you. Everybody here has been informed, informative, interactive. They've been open to learning, and every single one of them have come into the classroom with a growth mindset. And I think it's going to do a lot and go a really long way with helping the leaders on this island continue to foster growth and connection, especially with the task order leaders.
It was really good, and I think it's something that we need more of, and hopefully it could have a positive impact on the workforce here and accomplishing the mission.
I want to thank Hope for coming out here and giving us information to us, right? It's a great training, and I hope that she has the opportunity to come out here again later on with some of the other leaders that we pick up.
Pacific Partnership Rongolemen Elaban Chibang Chabrot Army Chen Chigino Kajojo Iloan what Chuan Year in Kabojer Chibang Mijanio is common Ilo Yinto Pacific Kane. Ekadala Ngan Rain Race Pokonair in Charwali Pendron Nanair Kakajo Relok Kabel in Charwal Kainar in Common Ogodak. Im kaya to kolok cem cara inair. Risiko range and EPS, lalu mana in company ipen kumio and Pacific Partnership.
We are here today at Ebi Public Elementary School, and we are doing a dental engagement where we are screening all of the elementary school children. So we're checking to see if they have any cavities or any oral health problems, and strengthen their teeth. And then afterwards, we're doing a dental education event where we teach children how to take good care of their mouths. We're going to use all of this information and give it to the local dental clinic here at the hospital, so that way they can follow up on all the treatment needs we've found. We've been in eBay for this week. So we've been at the school the last 2.5 days doing this treatment. We are just so grateful to the eBay community for welcoming us with open arms, and the kids have been excited to see us, and it's been a really amazing week here, meeting all of the children and high-fiving everyone as we go. So thank you again for having us here.
11 bar lang sigin lale medyo ko ilo chonian klaju room ko ijo re lale mejen parent imruju ro imaje jala gair mejen bilo
Yeah, my name is Yulin Maye, principal of Iwai Public Elementary School, and I would like to give our appreciation and thanks to the Pacific Corporation for coming all the way to Iwai to visit the students in regards to cleaning their teeth and Pikamol Dada, and we would love for the team to come back in the future. Come on once again.
Today we're going to be installing a new FM antenna for AFN, the 3 radio stations that we have. That's 99.9 the wave, 102.1 and 104.1 are the 3 radio stations here locally on Kwaj. This operation required us to have a 125-foot man lift, which is not easy to find on this island. And we were finally able to pull together the resources, and now you'll be able to see what we do. One of the reasons we decided to replace this antenna was high reflected power on an old antenna that had been up there for almost 25 years. That was causing us not to be able to transmit at full power to reach the island community. This is another great project that V2X has put in place to try to make this island and AFN reach out better to all their audiences.
I'm thankful for my family, that God gave me such a wonderful family. I'm thankful for my job. Also living out here in Kwaj, it's a great place to be.
I am thankful for my family, and I'm thankful for the Kwaj community and the family that we have here.
This year for Thanksgiving, I'm thankful for family, friends.
There's so much to be thankful for. I'm thankful for my family, my friends, and for my work here in Kwaj.
For Thanksgiving, I'm thankful for Kwaj, of course, my job I do here on Kwaj. I'm thankful for my family, my friends, and just life in general.
My favorite Thanksgiving dish is mustard greens.
I think my favorite Thanksgiving dish is I make a hot curried fruit, and I think that's it.
It's gonna be mac and cheese.
Turkey and peach cobbler.
My favorite Thanksgiving food has to be sweet macaroni and cheese. If you're from Arkansas, you know what that is.
Oh shoot. Y'all what? Kwajalein Atoll, Marshall Islands. You are listening now to AFN 99.9 The Wave, Yim 97.9 Roy Rat Radio. Ita in John de Broom. Yim Ijidogo Wajan Kadak Chirukan, Kajan Majo. Katagan Rain Itkan Island Nature.
Cut! It's Island Nature, Patruo.
Jolopur, Director. Island Nature, Patruo. Ijidewo Jangan Kom, Chiruk Kagalen, Chena Jidogum Mekadak
nanin majalgain ilo kajin pelle. Wan jongok paidan menago ilo mejadodo in pong kainagan cloud.
Cut. We already did that. Where were you?
Egoyak son.
We already did Hall. You mentioned nighttime?
Ego ako moonum stars.
Come on.
Ilo yenan pong ilo M1 beach ilang aram jere jatal ngan ijanum aloje. Ilo bulan aram jere red Paul yim Jasmine kim chem cara eo eba. Erro kiyor kanono kan jabarewot men jen kupon meja todo me ejelet tamagum menogo punin rumajo. Enodar shala rutoro rakan kalmijak wot ijugo ilo yen air cejargar elap sidram kabel iper ekwe emon beach.
Paul, kata kan raja pai staren tumur im staren me cari cimaro cabaro.
Pewenado netto formotan mandina.
Oh, pewenado negar ujelayo cinontada. Negar kemanilo yen ko eto.
Kujala elemen pa star lo kajin majal.
Cep cala.
Ngai kuj kanan pa star lo kajin majal. Kona ba iju. Elji eligun nga. Iju.
Iju.
Kujala iju yen eligun erra bol bolan daram.
Ayat mol. Ewi chonganan kelep moon.
Juan motan emen rebek begin dawi. Kona nga ba moon lo kajin majal.
Kija no ta kala bol.
Elji eligun nga. Alleng.
Alleng. Ijala. Pugula kaleng. Cakaron nga kona charwane. Kona pata lo. Iju kan. Para kay rongkan ko day.
Ayat. Les brown na kartig.
Kailak.
Yawe IT jod.
Yawe. Konor kay dugum lale ta chore ni ilo laptop ina.
Ijummerum. Ko jai ko jindi gudi lo tigat mo kala.
Element.
Meni jai ko ji melale ko injen ko kaina kan head. Email company jigut.
Adeo ichion neon. Email ichion.chorochidu@gmail.com. Icharbalo oceanic. Yim ngay perilo Kwaj ocean bottom.
Kwaj ocean bottom.
Inga. Bulan lojit. Ichibat tol ka jen M1 beach.
Yalam nam kannan to jen bulan lojit.
Kencil bunio.
Kau boleh ngelum. Boleh nguni najib cara balap dah mana.
Mau nak?
Ngak. Elemen apa shell lo kajin majal.
Ke post kenan pa sel ilo kajin majal pa dippuwe. Eliji eligin nga dippuwe.
Oh, dippuwe. Jen lah je.
Paloyo ko lo Josh.
Meri tom kol kenna ke.
Nogoli mo ama papa ba jalo ligete.
Engar puro majane eno deleng rime.
Nago kete.
Kuta pache kala kaji.
Nago kajin. Papa ko kete.
Muni ke.
Mujhe bayang nahi.
Kya di kya?
Nago wana na pak kya de lo kajin mayo. Koi ma. Eliji eliji na.
Good. Nago lichala lagi good.
Meri ko cakro nga pa itom kol kenna ke.
Mama ko itan na jagre ko jeni jo mo kata.